road to payout. So today let's start with economic calendar. We can see that today we had at 8:30 we had some news, which is why I was prepared to be done by 8:30. So let's see how exactly that went. So first we wait and we dip down into Asia weeks, and from there we get a big structure. So that's my entry. But at that moment I was downstairs making a coffee, so I didn't even see this. I mean, I was watching the charts, but this basically came up and then came all the way to around here, and I was thinking it was like 20 seconds left for the candle to complete. So I was thinking we won't get anything in this candle. I'm on my way to make my coffee, then I'll go upstairs, and then maybe on the next candle I'll take some trade. However, when I opened the charts, I saw that price did in fact reach all the way from here to here in 20 seconds and closed above, and this candle was already around here when I watched the chart. So I was like, holy shit, I missed my setup. Then price retraced back a little bit, and I entered on that retracement right here for a 1-to-1 on this low hanging fruit right here. The low hanging fruit was the 15-minute close fair value gap, so the high of the 15-minute fair value gap right here. The next target was obviously these relative highs. That's probably the better target because those are really strong in terms of the draw on liquidity. As you can see, price dropped down, so my entry was like this, and I managed to take 1-to-1 right here. The problem is that I'm on this account for some reason allowed to only risk 0.5%. So today I took this, made a 1-to-1, so made around 0.5%, and then I lost 0.5% here. Why did I lose here? Well, because we swept out one low and then inversed a fair value gap with this. We had this low hanging fruit, so I entered there and I got swept out. And that's all basically. That's the whole setup and everything that happened. So nothing much, but this is basically the game. This setup right here was supposed to leave me, like, if I executed everything correctly, I was supposed to be up 0.7% in a day. However, I'm on break even because of not being able to risk as much, and because I entered right here, I wasn't at the computer on this time, so I didn't execute correctly. So yeah, this is basically the summary of today. Honestly, for some reason I'm not even able to risk 1% on the 5k account. I'm not really sure for whatever reason that is, but I'm just hoping I get through that 5k account fast, even though if I fail it or something like that, I just want to hop onto the 10k account because it's way more reliable, and I think I can actually, like, it means way more to me because it's 10k. 5k is not gonna do much for me, and then of course the 10k is I can risk 1% on 10k, so that is also why I want to start trading 10k finally. So we'll see what happens with this 5k account. I'm not even sure what I'm gonna do with it and what will happen, but for now this is what happened today, and this is the trades that I took. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.